thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we are making an easy 3-bean chili in the Instant Pot. So let's just get right into it. We're going to start by adding 1 pound of ground turkey to your Instant Pot on the saute mode. You may want to use some olive oil spray. You'll want to add that before placing the ground turkey into the Instant Pot. You're going to want to break the meat apart and get it nice and brown. It usually takes about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes for me to brown my ground turkey. So after that, we're going to add our chickpeas. Make sure you drain them before adding. All the beans should be rinsed before placing them into the Instant Pot, so go ahead and add a can of black beans and then red kidney beans. I use the low sodium beans on everything I make as long as I can find it. Normally they have them at Walmart. And to that, we're going to add our diced tomatoes, and you'll want to add 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. After that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. If you have other spices that you want to add, go ahead and add them. After that, I add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now, you don't have to add the garlic if you don't want it, but I love adding garlic to just about everything. Now we're going to add a small 16-ounce can of tomato sauce to our Instant Pot. And finally, we are going to give everything a good stir. Stir everything around. Okay, it's all stirred. So we're going to place our Instant Pot lid onto the Instant Pot and set it at high pressure for 25 minutes. So again, we're going to do high pressure for 25 minutes. Once your 25 minutes is up, you'll want to do a natural release. Now, what's a natural release? That means you don't press the vent button. You'll let that steam come out all on its own. My natural release took about 22 minutes or so. And then top it with your favorite toppings once it's done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like, subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!